What up, YouTube? So, I had a video for you guys where I was gonna drive the car for the first time, and I was putting it together, and I have some clips which I'm gonna put into this video of whatever I can salvage. So the reason I don't have the ending of that video is there's something wrong with the steering. I ordered a whole bunch of parts to try to fix the steering and stuff like that to come in. I'm having issue with freight. The eBay seller that I got most of the parts from sent it out. I have a tracking, all that, but it's saying it's somewhere stuck in like Texas, and it's been in Texas for going on 2 weeks now. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should cancel it and order other parts and hopefully they come in faster. I just don't want to, kind of screw over the seller. Like, I seen it leave his warehouse in California. It got to Texas and it's just been at Texas. It hasn't moved. It hasn't done anything. For you guys that don't know, I'm in South Florida. So I would assume it's on a truck that just comes straight through. Texas is the fastest truck. I don't know. But that was the last scan. I've called UPS and tried to get that solved. They say they don't have it in their facilities, and it should be at the Miami shipping district. I don't know. They gave me like this runaround. I called Miami. They said it's in Texas. I called Texas. They said it's in Miami. So I'm kind of at a standstill. I don't know what to do with this right now. They said I could order other parts, but I have a feeling once I order these parts, the other ones are going to show up. So the Honda is going to be on a standstill for a little bit longer. I do want to get it out. I do want to get it tuned. I just can't drive it. If you see in the video, as soon as I let go of the wheel, it shoots left. Don't want to be doing that, during a pull to try to show you guys how the car is running. So for right now, that's at a pause. I have other things that I've been trying to do to try to bring new things to the channel. I actually have a motorcycle, believe it or not. I have part of a motorcycle, and I was going to try to marry the two together. One frame that is completed has a certificate of destruction title. In the state of Florida, you can't get it reinstated. It's like a death certificate. This other frame that I have is a good frame. It's actually a clean title, one owner title. I got it from a junkyard. They gave me a bill of sale, but they didn't give me the title. I tried to go to the DMV and get a title for it. They told me that the owner never cleared the title. It's under somebody else. So since the junkyard sold me it, and they didn't get the title from the other guy, I'm kind of stuck on that too. So all in all, I'm in a shithole kind of situation of trying to get content out to you guys for the select few that do watch. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys stick around for when parts do come in and we can get things rolling and get this going again. But how it's looking, it's probably going to be a couple weeks to a month before I can figure out anything. I still got to try to figure out the parts for the Honda. I still got to figure out the titles for the motorcycles. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. YouTube, how's it going? So today, I got a few things that I need to do to get the Honda on the road. One, I got to fix the suspension issue. I don't like the car as low as it is. It doesn't feel like it rides right to me. And we got to run a line for the wastegate. So that's what today's episode is going to be. Let's get into it. So, as you can see, my car has numbers. I am going to the 20, or yeah, the 20, because it goes 20, 25, 35, 40, 45. That's where I'm going to. See if this is enough. That should be enough, hopefully. And we'll put this side back on. This side I did the same thing, brought it just over the 35, so lock it in at the 25. Let's see if I did that right on this side again, double check. Locked it in just over the 35. All right. So this is the right height I'm going for. I had to max out the coilovers all the way up this side. I don't know why it's a little bit monster truck, but maybe it'll settle in. But that's it for ride height. I gotta do the backs, and then I gotta fix that wastegate. Alright, so we're just welding up the exhaust, or weld up the exhaust. Terrible job. Check the short out, it looks a lot worse than this. The T-fitting that I need, I can't find. So I'm just gonna run it with just the wastegate closed. It should only be about like 4 or 5 pounds anyways. You know, the spring is super light. I shouldn't build boost anyways. And we're gonna get it started and do a little quick test run. I'll give you a interior of the car point of view. All right, the car's on. Let's take it for the first drive. The way the car turns. Let's make sure these wheels are on nice and tight.